Riyadh is rapidly becoming the Middle East's most powerful technology and innovation hub. Searching for a mobile app development company in Riyadh, JunkiesCoder is a Riyadh-based company building Arabic-first iOS, Android, and Flutter apps for Saudi enterprises. From native iOS and Android apps to cross-platform Flutter and React Native solutions, we build everything your Saudi business needs. We don't just build apps, we build digital experiences, secure, scalable, and designed for long-term Saudi market success. Saudi Arabia's market demands more than a well-designed app. It requires PDPL compliance, SAMA regulatory alignment, NCA cybersecurity architecture, and bilingual Arabic UX. We integrate artificial intelligence into mobile applications, delivering intelligent automation, smart recommendations, and advanced analytics for businesses across Riyadh. Every project follows a proven 6-step process, from discovery to launch and ongoing support. Our experienced team has delivered 200+ successful digital products, trusted by enterprises across Saudi Arabia and beyond. From Inspect and Buy's e-commerce marketplace to Source Vehicle's automotive export platform, our portfolio speaks for itself. If you're searching for a trusted mobile app development company in Riyadh, JunkiesCoder is ready. Build smarter, scale faster, grow digitally. Let's build something exceptional together. Thank you.